Let us move on to the third question. Add without using number line. A. 11 plus minus 7. B. Minus 13 plus 18. C. Minus 10 plus 19. D. Minus 250 plus 150. E. Minus 380 plus minus 270. And F. Minus 217 plus minus 100. Let's do the solution. Take down the A bit. 11 plus minus 7. Here we have one positive integer 11 and one negative integer minus 7 to add without using number line. When we have one positive integer and one negative integer to add, then we must subtract them. But answer will take sign of the bigger integer. Here we decide bigger integer by ignoring their signs. To add 11, which is positive integer, and minus 7, which is negative integer, we should subtract them. 11 minus 7. Subtracting 7 from 11, we get 4. But this 4 takes the sign of bigger integer. By eliminating plus and minus 7 before 11 and 7, we compare 11 and 7. 11 is the bigger integer, so this 4 takes sign of 11, which is positive. Similarly, take down the B bit. Minus 13 plus 18. Here we have two integers to add without using number line. One is positive integer, one is negative integer. To add positive integer and negative integer, we have one formula. That is, when we have one positive integer and one negative integer, we must subtract them. But answer will take sign of bigger integer. Here we decide bigger integer by ignoring their signs. To add minus 13 to plus 18, we should subtract them. 18, 13. By subtracting 13 from 18, we get 5. But this 5 takes the sign of bigger integer. By eliminating minus and plus before 13 and 18, we compare 18 and 13. Between these two, 18 is bigger integer. So 5 takes the sign of bigger integer, which is plus. So minus 13 plus 18 is plus 5. Take down the C bit. Minus 10 plus 19. Here we have one positive integer and one negative integer to add. For this, we have one formula. That is, we must subtract them. But answer will take sign of bigger integer. So here we are adding minus 10 plus 19. First subtract minus 10 and 19. Subtracting 10 from 19, we get 9. Now eliminate the signs minus and plus before 10 and 19 respectively. Now we compare 19 and 10. Between these two, 19 is bigger integer. So 9 will take sign of bigger integer, which is plus. So when we add minus 10 plus 19, and we get plus 9. Similarly, take down the D bit. Minus 250 plus 150. To add one positive integer and one negative integer, we have one formula. That is, we should subtract them. But answer will take sign of bigger integer. Here we decide bigger integer by ignoring their signs. Now we are adding minus 250 and plus 150. we must subtract them. Subtracting 150 from 250, we get 0, 0, 1. We get 100. Eliminate the signs minus and plus before 250 and 150 respectively. Then we compare 250 and 150. Between these two, 250 is the bigger integer. So 100 takes the sign of bigger integer, which is minus. Hence, minus 250 plus 150 is equal to minus 100. Let us take down the next bit. Minus 380 and minus 270. Here we have two negative integers, minus 380 and minus 270, to add without using number line. Let's do the solution. Minus 380 plus minus 270. When we are adding two negative integers, we take minus as common from both the numbers. Here also we are taking minus as common from minus 380 and minus 270. Here we have two positive integers to add. So we can add these two integers normally. 380 plus 270. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 and 1 carry. 3 plus 2 plus 1 carry is equal to 650. Here we have minus as common and 380 plus 270, which is equal to 650. Now eliminate this bracket, we get minus 650. Hence minus 380 plus minus 270 is equal to minus 650. Similarly, take down the last bit. F minus 217 plus minus 100. Here we have two negative integers to add without using number line. They are minus 270 and minus 100. Coming to a solution, when we are adding two negative integers, here they are minus 270 and minus 100. We will take minus as common from both the numbers. Here we take minus as common from minus 270 and minus 100. Here we have two positive integers to add. They are 270 and 100. By adding 217 to 100, we get 317. Here minus as common and 217 plus 100 is equal to 317. Eliminate the brackets, we get minus 370. So minus 217 plus minus 100 is equal to minus 317. Let us move on to the next question. Find the sum of A. 137 and minus 354, B. minus 52 and 52, C. minus 312 and 39 and 192, and D. minus 50 and minus 200 and 300. Take down the A bit. 137 and minus 354. We have one positive integer and one negative integer to add. To add one positive integer and one negative integer, we have one formula. That is, we should subtract them. But answer will take sign of bigger integer. Now we are adding plus 137 and minus 354. We are subtracting 137 from 354. Since 4 is less than 7, we take borrow from 5. This will become 14. This will become 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. We get 217. But this 217 gets a sign of bigger integer. Eliminate the signs plus and minus before 137 and 354 respectively and compare 354 and 137. Between these two, 354 is a bigger integer. So, the answer 217 will take the sign of bigger integer, which is negative. Therefore, plus 137 plus minus 354 is equal to minus 217. Similarly, take down the B bit. Minus 52 and 52. We have one negative integer minus 52 and one positive integer plus 52 to add. Coming to the solution, when we have one positive integer and one negative integer to add, we should subtract them. But answer will take sign of bigger integer. Here we decide bigger integer by eliminating their signs. Now we are adding minus 52 plus 52. First we will subtract them. 52 minus 52. Subtracting 52 from 52, we get 0. Here we have two integers with different signs. Since 0 has no signs, minus 52 plus 52 is equal to 0.